The Industrial Revolution and the use of fossil fuels as a source of energy have improved the lives of people around the world. Motor vehicles make commuting much more convenient, everything is made from durable plastic, and home electricity is no longer a privilege of the wealthy urbanites, but has become a necessity in daily life. These activities, which are heavily reliant on hydrocarbon consumption, emit additional GHGs into the atmosphere. The increased atmospheric concentrations of these gases are causing drastic changes within the biosphere. Carbon-intensive energy and industrial activity are taking its toll on the Earth system in the form of climate change. Climate change is happening all around us. Sea ice is melting, storm systems are increasing in frequency and intensity, record-breaking temperatures are being recorded, and climate patterns are shifting. Even the climate change skeptics can no longer deny the effects that global warming is having on the biosphere. These climatic changes are evident in the superstorms and strange weather events that have been wreaking havoc in regions around the world. This is not a local phenomenon, with many events making history. Though there are many examples of extreme weather, two recent examples include Typhoon Haiyan, which went through the Philippines recently, and the extremely rare flooding in Saudi Arabia's capital city. It is not just the pattern of weather that will be disrupted. It is highly likely that many species will not be able to adapt to these changes, resulting in many groups lost to extinction. These impacts are becoming more and more obvious, and without some sort of change, the future is looking grim. We are already committed to some degree of warming and climate change. However, we can significantly decrease the likelihood of worse changes for future generations by applying mitigation now. Without the proper policies, human existence is being seriously threatened by our own actions. This is why we need policymakers to provide the proper guidance and direction for what to do next. In order to get the population to cooperate, there needs to be some sort of regulation. That is where policymakers need to put rules and procedures in place. The results we are looking for will not happen overnight. Adaptation will follow mitigation, but we first need to recognize the problem and apply policy to correct it. Otherwise, humans are in serious trouble.